Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So the first thing you're going to have to do is create an Instagram account. You'll log into that Instagram account and go into the Instagram app. Once you're there, you're going to go to your profile. We're going to tag people a few different ways. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tag people on an already existing photo. So we're going to go to a profile, we're going to find the photo, and you'll see to the top right, here we've got our triple dot icon. We're going to select that and we're going to hit edit. Once there, you'll see that it says two people kind of up here on the photo. We're going to select that, and then we're going to tap anywhere on the photo to tag people. Once you've tagged whoever you would like, you're going to hit done. Then you'll see that now it's tagged 4 people. If you hit done again, they will be tagged. Now we're going to tag people in a new photo. So to add a new photo, you're going to go to the plus sign in the middle. And once you've selected the photo, you're going to go through the normal photo process. And then once you see that you get to kind of the end part right before share, you can see that you can tag people. So I'm going to hit tag people. And right here, I have it tagged. Once you hit done, you'll see that it has the people tagged. If you want to add more tagged people, they will show up that there's 2 people tagged. Then once you hit share, both of those people will be tagged and you'll be all set to go. The last thing I'm going to show you is tagging in a comment. So we're going to come down to the comments and we're going to hit the comment button. Once there, I'm going to hit @ and the @ sign will allow me to tag anyone that I would like to. So now if I comment here and hit post, it shows that I've mentioned myself in a comment. This tags them so they can see whatever post that you're commenting on. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.